Hi everybody! In this tutorial we will learn how to switch the Autocad background to white or another color, and also the Autocad theme from dark mode to light mode. So let's start! To change the Autocad display colors, we can go to the application icon, and in the bottom we will find the options. Click there. In window elements, we can easily change the color theme from dark mode to light mode. Apply the changes, and now you can see this is the aspect with the ribbon and tabs in light colors. Actually, this is how Autocad used to be some years ago. Then let's go back to the options menu, and we can do it by just typing options with the keyboard. Now click on colors, and in the context 2D model space and uniform background, let's change the color here. Click on select color, then index color, and I'm going to pick up this white. Click on OK and apply the changes. Nice! Basically, you can change the background to the color that you want. For example, I also enjoy the display when I choose this gray one. I think this is nice, especially when you have elements in dark colors, which is hard to see in a dark background. Now, if you'd like to learn AutoCAD in a more organized way, I have a complete course in AutoCAD as well as another one in Revit in the platform Udemy. If you join it, you'll get free access forever. There are no destruction ads, you can find DWG and PDF files in some lectures, and I also included full exercises at the end of the course to practice your skills. So, if you are interested, please find the links in the description of this video. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next time.